Well, welcome and thank you for the followers that we've had on this engine since we started its rebuild earlier this year. There has been a pause on it whilst the owner has had the engine back, put it in the car, finished fitting the rest of the frame and other bits and auxiliaries that he wanted to fit for his own pleasure, and the car is now back. We are about to put in the running in oil. It has, as was shown in the videos, been assembled with pre-engine lube on everything. So we will now fill it with the running in oil. We will then move to ascertaining oil pressure, which all the spark plugs have been removed so that we can achieve this quicker. And then obviously all parts reassembled and we'll see if the engine talks. We now have all the oil and lubricants in it, so we're now going to crank it over and check for leaks and ascertain an oil pressure. We'll now put the spark plugs back in it, make sure we've got petrol, and let's see if she kicks into life.